YouTube channel. My name is Keira. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you're not, welcome back. Today we are cooking some flat enchiladas. I know normal enchiladas is rolled up in the balls, but I mean rolled up like a I don't know, just rolled up. But these are going to be flat. Hold on, Alyssa want to say hey. Say hey, YouTube. Okay, go ahead. Mommy about to cook, okay? And yeah, so I have the masa and stuff. Y'all, this is my first time cooking this. This is my first 2 cups of masa. I hope I'm saying that right. And 1.5 cups of water. So let me open this. This is like flour. It's giving me like flour filling because it gets all over super fast. Let me actually bring out for 2 cups. I actually don't want, it says it makes 19 tortillas. So 2 cups of masa, so that'll be good enough for us. I mean, that'll be actually way too much, but I need one of them things that Rachel Ray have to like scoop the top of it. Yeah, I'm reading the instructions because I'm really trying not to mess this up. And I'm like, it's something that I really want to eat, so that makes me I don't want to mess it up even more because I'm like really craving it, like, if that makes sense. Okay. So from the videos, it shows that you just gradually add the water. I'm gonna take this right now. And then mix it. Oh, actually, one of the videos I watched, she did add a little seasoning to it. So that's what I'm about to do because I love my seasoning. This is just a little onion powder and a little garlic powder. And that's all I'm gonna add to it. I mean, you don't have to do this step. It's all up to you. Listen in the background in her TV because she's watching Dinosaur. Just ignore it, okay, guys? I am a mom, so sometimes my background won't be all quiet. So that's what we're gonna do. Leave that there. Let me wash my hands, and then we're gonna press it. So once I press this, his grandmother did tell me to use napkins, even though I've seen people use plastic. So I'm just gonna use the napkins, and I'm just gonna take a piece off. I actually don't know exactly how much of this to use. I think it said like an ounce, but how am I gonna know what's an ounce? But I do want them kind of thick. I don't want them too thin. So she said don't press down too hard. I think that was too big. This ain't not going down. It's not going down.
How does that look?
Because you don't know how to do this?
No.
What if my thing broke? Oh, maybe my ball was too big. That look like it's too big? Okay, well, maybe I should flip it. Why is this not pushing?
What are you talking about? They're pushing.
No, it's not. Look. I am pushing it. I should make the push it. You see what I'm saying? This is the first one. I'm having a little problems with this. It's not smashing down. So I don't really know if it's the kind I got or not. But we gonna work with it. Okay, so I'm actually going to use my wooden spoon to see if this is hot, and it is. So I'm going to carefully place the tortillas inside of the oil. And so, like so. Look like I can do 3 at a time. Y'all, my thing, well, these things cooking fast. Maybe I should turn the heat down a little bit. Oh, let me get my paper towels too. Okay, so I'm just frying them up, and now I'm gonna flip them. I want them crispy, but I kind of really don't want them too crispy. Well, mine, I don't want mine too crispy. And yeah, so you just do this with all of them until they're golden brown, and then I will meet you guys back when this is done. Because I cannot hold this phone up like this. This is if you like red sauce. I seen on the video that they dip the tortilla right after it's finished frying into the red sauce. But my boyfriend actually like his red sauce just drizzled on top of his meat. So I'm gonna do it both ways, because I think I would like my tortilla drenched in this red sauce. So yeah, I'm just warming it up. This is just regular store-bought red sauce. I seen some people make theirs, but baby, I'm not doing all that. So yeah. Okay, so like I was saying, I don't think this way is the typical way of how an enchilada is made, but this is how his grandmother do it, so that's how I'm gonna do it for him. I do kind of want mine a little different, so I'm putting the meat on it. I accidentally added a little red sauce because I had to ask him. I didn't know if she added the red sauce with the meat, but she don't. She put the red sauce on top of the meat. So, yep, like so, and then the red sauce. I actually should call him downstairs because I'm not too sure. Paco! I'm about to call him on the phone because after the red sauce, I'm going to do cheese. This is just a Mexican mix cheese. Then I'm going to do the letters. And then tomato. She put a whole tomato in hers. Like so. Don't come for me, y'all. I hope I'm doing this right. This how she do it, Paco? This looks like a big piece of tomato. You say like a pizza. I mean like a burger.
Bro, look up. Bro, then that.
You think it's gonna be good or you want the little dice?
No, give me the dice.
Okay. So you gotta be more specific.
The fucking tomato.
Don't curse on my channel. I'm not playing with you. Okay, so the tomatoes was too thick, he said. And so, I'm just using the dice for his. And the egg, right?
Yeah.
Don't yell at me like that, Papa. I'm cooking for you. You're supposed to say yes, man. 182?
180.
You know a normal enchilada is not made like this? Like that? Okay.
Look at the red sauce on it.
Okay. Okay, so mine's next. I drench mine in the red sauce. And then I'm gonna do one without. Well, I think I like it better with the red sauce. I'm gonna dip this other one in red sauce too. Okay, so this is mine. Add some cheese. I like a lot of cheese. of just remind me of a taco. Like a red sauce taco, I guess. And then tomatoes. What? Right, there you go. Ain't gonna look good. So this is the finished product, you guys. Where's the list of food? Yeah, go give it to her. Okay, so this is a finished product, you guys, and I'm going to try it on camera. Tastes good. This is good. I did my thing.
What?
What you want, seconds? No. So yeah, you guys, this is really, really, really good. I like it a lot. It's gonna be my new favorite meal to cook. I like it with the red sauce too. I think you should have covered yours in the red sauce.
That's what you're supposed to do.
I'm talking about this.
No, I'm talking about supposed to pour a lot.
No, I think you should cover this in the red sauce. It was good like that. I mean, it's all on what you like. Everybody's different. I like it covered in red sauce.
The red sauce don't taste. It don't taste like fucking red sauce.
No, it don't. It really don't. So yeah, you guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys enjoyed this, let me know in the comments down below. And that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I mean, what is this? Cooking? This is gonna be the end of cooking with me. And yeah, see you guys the next video. It's really good.
Is that food, girl?
It's pizza, let's go eat it.
Eat that pizza.
That is so good.
Okay.